Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on a daily crypto plan. Friday, February 7. Nice times to be alive in crypto. And I'll tell you why. Nice time to be alive. How many times do you guys think we saw this kind of environment? Too many times. And I still see people panicking. Well, it's going to zero. Altcoins will die. All of them. Come on, people. I could see that the old guys, the people who have at least one cycle, they are still here. A bit upset, some of them. But I'll tell you why they are upset. Yeah, they don't have a journal. If they had a journal, emotional one, and put their emotions there, day in, day out, and now they'll have something to go back and look how they felt in the last cycles, they'll be happy. Let's start with Bitcoin, and we can talk the sentiment after that. Morning Bucur, morning Shogun, Bova, Noure, Sebastian. Where is Stefan? Still sleeping? I saw him reposting, so I don't think he's sleeping anymore. Morning, Christian. So, Bitcoin on daily. Bitcoin is in the same range. Didn't do anything special last couple of days. Nothing. Just accept below 100k. Still in the range. Still in the same area. And people panicking. Well, I think 99% of the people are watching too much social media. And if 2 or 3 or 4 big influencers are becoming bearish, the sentiment is spreading because people love to listen to the influencers. What is changed? What is new from, I don't know, December? Some altcoins dropped 50%. Well, they're altcoins. You want to buy them for cheap, but you don't want to drop? You don't want them low? It's impossible. I don't know. In December, when the altcoins had a acceptable small pump, everyone said, well, they are too high. Let's wait for a dump. Will dump will come? I got tons of messages. Well, you really think the market will dump again and I could get an entry? I said, yes. And now the same people are saying they are going to zero. I said, no. Come on, people. You want to make money. You want to make 50x, 100x, but you don't want to buy the lows. If you don't have more money to buy the lows, stay out, stay on weekly chart and be patient. Imagine that on weekly chart, 1 week has to pass to see one fucking candle. Every time the market is dropping, people want lower prices, even lower. When the market is bouncing, they are asking where to buy. I'll tell them the area, the market is reaching the area, and when the market goes there, they want lower, or they are panicking, or they are quitting, or they are doing anything else that the only thing they're supposed to do, buy a little bit on spot. Look at this chart. We are still in the same range. Nothing changed, nothing is special. Fib Pong, classic Fib Pong, look at it. From this low to this high. Okay? Back down in the long reload zone. Back down up in the short reload and so on. Fib Pong, classic fighting at a big important level. What do you expect? It's 100k. You expect to accept above 100k and go to the moon in 1 week, 2 weeks? The biggest level ever in crypto, in Bitcoin. 10 years ago, people were dreaming about this level. Some point in the future, Bitcoin will reach 100k. Well, we are here. Expect a fight. Expect a big range. So, if you are you don't have a journal like me and you don't know the sentiment, people, at least zoom out and go back. Go back and see what happened. Well, I'll give you an example. It's my favorite example because I suffered from it and I remember it damn well. Okay? And people already know what I'll say here. Okay? Let's go on weekly. How do you think I felt here? Look at it. I bought Cardano in this area, okay? December 2018. Market pumped. Well, managed to sell half on a double. Okay. And then dumped, and then dumped, and then dumped. And everyone was bearish. Market was dying. Okay. I managed to resist because I know that a bottom is forming like that. And then we had a pump. And I was happy. Well, look at it. But I saw the short lows. Well, it doesn't matter. And then they broke the lows here with the COVID. And everyone was panicking, including a stupid guy like me. Yeah. Luckily, I didn't sold everything at the bottom. Kind of 60%, 70%, but I still had a good bag. I said, fuck it, this one, I'll ride it to zero. Look at people. But took me, this consolidation took from November 2018 until June 2020. And then pump and then retest. Here everyone was saying, well, it was a fake out, will go to zero again. Look at it. You are kind of here. You can see a lot of altcoins doing this stuff, people. You can see it. Look at it. This is the perfect example. You have the same chart here on tons of altcoins. Tons of them. They are looking similar. If you can see it, look at it. Because it's the most probably will happen exactly the same or similar. You are a buyer here or you are a seller of the bottom here. Like I said in the message on Twitter, you can stand tall when others are falling or not. It's the only question you have to answer yourself. If you can't, sell the bottom. Say goodbye. You will find me here months from now when the market will do something like this. Here. You'll buy 4 or 5 times higher, but not my problem after all. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to say my 2 cents, but not a financial advisor. Okay? So remember this chart. I'll even make a print screen and I'll send it on the chat. Remember this chart. I think we can be here in this area. Let's even try to... Where? Just a second. Arrow maker. How the fuck I have this one? Okay, let's make a copy image now. Copy image will not allow me. Copy link. There you go. Look at this image, people. And imagine that we are here and you are panic selling and the sentiment is low. How the fuck you think the sentiment was there? I could tell you 10 times worse than now. What do you think will happen if for some reason Bitcoin will lose the range and will go and retest a normal 70k? We'll have the same sentiment like here. I see even experienced trader quitting too fast. I don't know what to tell you, people. I could show you what happened in the past. I don't know the future. I don't know what will happen. If everything will go to zero tomorrow, so be it. But I'm not selling. I could guarantee you something. Even if everything will go belly up, you'll still find me here probably me and Stefan and some other OGs, and that's it. But you'll still find me here live streaming in the morning and trying to frame the market. That's consistency. Consistency is not when the market is pumping and everything is nice and you show up at your work, at your job. Consistency means when you don't feel that you should go, you should be there. When you don't feel to get up from your bed, should be there in the market. If you don't remember how the sentiment was, well, find some videos, people. Find some funky videos if you can still on YouTube, on some traders, influencers that they had a YouTube channel there. Look for February 2020. Some of them, they still have the videos. And see the sentiment. Okay, enough rant. You want to see what Cardano did after that? Maybe you don't know? Well, I zoomed out. That was 3 cents, people. And reached $3 That's 100x from that level. You want 100x now, but you don't want to buy the bottom? Sorry. Okay, let's go back on the charts, on daily chart. What do you think will be the sentiment if we'll do a 1-to-1 with this DCM in the top here? And we'll touch 83. I don't know. I'll be here trying to make a profit from trading and try to buy some spot. All the profit I made yesterday, I'll be honest, I don't know if it's the best decision ever, but because the sentiment was bad, really bad, all the profit I made yesterday, I took everything out, all the profit, and I bought better coins on Binance, on spot. At least I have some spot exposure on Bear. I didn't got any airdrop, I was a bit pissed off, and I said, well, fuck it, I'll buy it. So all the profit I made yesterday, it's in Bear chain now. I have some Bear now. I'm not bearish, but I have Bear. So prepare yourself, people, because a scenario like this is not probable, but it's possible. It's even lower. It's a market, and 38.2 retracement, they are usual in a bull market. From the top to the bottom, I said, let's put a 38%, a 35%. It's even lower, people, look at it. 33% from the top, it's in the 78, 72, 69 area. Look at the last cycles and you'll see we had 35% retracement. That will destroy a little bit altcoins. Of course they will. But they'll bounce. And they'll bounce hard. And from that bottom or from this bottom you can make 20x. Maybe more. I don't know. Everything will pump. Well, this time it's kind of impossible. Last time was impossible too. But we didn't have so many coins. And for example, I'll give you another example. Another fucking example. Let's go back on weekly. Because if you start me, I'll blab away too much. But anyway. I bought my Ripple here, in this area. Huh? Below 20 cents. At 20 cents, 21 cents. That was my buying area. Because I didn't have exposure on Ripple until then. And I said, well, fuck it, let's get some Ripple. And when you zoom out and when you look what happened here, I didn't like what I saw here. So I bought at 20 cents. Everything was, I don't know, 20x and more. And this shit didn't move. So I said, well, fuck it. I recovered my initial investment. And I said, fuck it, I'm not selling Ripple. Let it go to zero. And look at it now. At least I have more than a 10x on my investment. After how many years? 5 years. And now I'm not selling here either. I prefer again. Let it ride to zero. But you get the idea. That's why everyone is telling you. Every experienced trader, every guy in crypto will tell you. Don't invest the money you don't afford to lose. Think about that phrase. If you put the money you have to pay the bill next month, you are stupid. If you are selling things and you are buying crypto and you cannot afford that, you are stupid. Don't do it. It's better to, I don't know, every month you can, I don't know, spend $100. Well, invest that money and that's it. If you lose them, well, you'll not be in a bad position. Okay, back on the charts. So, what I'm expecting here on daily. In today's event, if the news will not be the best, we can drop here in 94 and maybe I'll make a W. I'm still thinking at the same scenario, people. You can see, I draw it in the beginning of the week. Actually, I think before the weekly crypto review. This is my scenario on daily. Yeah, dropping here, retesting this week, and this one again. Yeah, support here, and making a W. Keep in mind, it's a daily W, so it'll take time. It'll take kind of a week or maybe more to form a W. In that time, people could panic 10 times. And then a breakout, a retest. This will be a disbelief. People will not believe that is a retest. Yeah? And the market will start pushing higher. That's one of the scenarios I'm waiting and I'm looking. Okay? That's what I'm thinking about Bitcoin. If we lose the lows, then watch out because tons of people will panic. More than they are now. I'll become even more greedier. Sorry, but that's the game, people. You will sell the coins to me. And I'm telling you publicly, I'm telling you institutional buy coins, big and smart money will buy coins. You will sell your coins from spot. You put time and effort to get them. You will sell them to the institutions and smart money. And you'll see that after you sell and after a couple of, I don't know, weeks, months, you'll understand. But at that point in time, some of you will just do it. Okay, that's Bitcoin on daily. We have an event today. We have the news, NFP, in a couple of hours. I don't want to see any trader, including Stefan, including VIP people. I don't want to see you trading 1 hour before and 1 hour after the event. If you have on higher time frame some SFU levels, sweep liquidity, okay, small risk 0.5. But limit orders far away. Otherwise, on the sidelines, protect your capital. Don't fuck around. Let's go back. That's Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum. You see this week, you saw the rejection and you are bearish. Why? I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. We'll be lucky, people. We'll be really lucky if this is the local top from that candle and this is the low. We'll be lucky if we'll get a pump chaser zone, which is here. You'll be even more lucky, or the luckiest guy, if you'll see the long reload zone, which means Ethereum will come back to retest $2,400. And you are panicking. Okay, happy panicking. I don't know how to say it. Sounds ugly from my side, but needs a retest here, somewhere in this area. And I don't know if Ethereum will give you a W here. Ethereum is known to be ugly, behaving ugly when it's retesting. So probably we'll see a front run of 61.8 and bye-bye, it's gone. People, when I'm blabbing away, I'm looking at the chart, I cannot see the chat. I'll let Stefan answer your chat and I'll just look at the end. Really matters, Jade, if Bitcoin will drop to 72, if it will recover fast or not? I don't know. I'm not Nostradamus. Usually recovers kind of fast, but fast in the weekly time frame measures, not hours. Well, will dump and will recover. I don't know. Could stay there, depending. So that's what I'm thinking. Give me a W here on daily. What is the best location? Well, the best location is here at 2,400, maybe lower, but we need some pressure to put the price down. Why? Why do you think we need some pressure? Because that it's I am assuming that now we are forming an institution fingerprint. TRIers know what I mean. But I'm assuming because institutional fingerprint, you will see it after the fucking fact. You cannot see it in the real time. You don't know if it's an institutional fingerprint or not. You'll know after the fact. But TRIer know what I mean with that. The institution bought here, not us. It's not the retail buying Ethereum here that got this price bouncing so hard. They're not people like me. Maybe they are, but not enough to push the price up. Yeah, they are institutions. They bought big volumes. Look at the volume. Look at the exchanges. So a retest of that area and their average price, I could bet it's $2,400. Look at Trump average price. You can find that on internet. Look at the institution average price because some institution bought Ethereum in that dump. And you can see what was the fucking average price. And I could bet was between 2,500 and 2,400 average. Because they definitely bought here at 2,100. But because they are too fucking big and they are too much money, they push the price up again. Yeah, you can find it if you go and watch Jade, if you go and watch Brian Beamish for 3 years. Maybe once or twice he will speak about it. Yeah? On the internet, no. Okay. Let's start looking at the rest. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Well, let's take a look at dominance. Similar here. Clear rejection. You can see I have the short reload zone. I even have an alarm at 61.8 short. Why? I want to get notified if that will happen. Okay? I'm waiting to hunt some yams here on 4-hour chart in this area. If you are lucky, we'll get that level and then we'll yam out. I don't know if you'll get it or not. So, I could put 4-hour chart for you, people. And you can see we are going sideways here. This could be a W. The target 1-to-1 for a double, it's here. It's here in the short reload zone. If we yam out, well, the target for this yam will be 60%. So you can see the confluence, you can see the chances going up or down. They are kind of 50-50. I don't know. I'm just waiting, patiently waiting for the market to give me a better clue, to give me more confluences so I could make a good decision. Okay, I'm waiting here. Okay, people, Shrey, we do the request at the end of the live stream. Yeah, and if you posted before and is hidden by the chat because more people posted, I will not see your request. So wait for the end of the live stream. Usually I take almost all the requests. Okay. And we don't have activated the super chat, so you cannot push your message forward. I didn't discuss with Stefan if we'll activate the super chat or not. For the moment, no. I don't think it's the case. For the moment, everything is as you see it. Okay. Waiting here. NFP. Market is waiting. You can see the market is waiting. Let's wait also. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, if you remember, the megaphone trend line is behaving like a support and resistance now. Look at the price action. Like I told you, if you want to be sure that this was the bottom and this was a deviation, wait for the market on higher time frame, daily and weekly chart to close above 0.03. We are not there yet, but we are damn close. Okay, let's wait. It's Friday. Let's wait until Monday morning to see how this candle will close. Anyway, nice rejection. That makes me think that this was a fake out, manipulation, and will go back above 003. Look left. We have some support. Yeah, we can push lower, but look at it. Even if I put the volume profile. Can you see something? Because this is the entire chart from 2015. Can you see something nice here? Look at the volume. This is the POC. This is where the smart money sold their Bitcoin for Ethereum. Can you see it? And now it's happening in front of your fucking eyes. Trump is buying Ethereum. With the money he's making from meme coins, with the money from investors, with the money, all the money. Okay? It's happening once again. Will take a couple of weeks. They prefer to keep it longer here so they could accumulate because they have big money, and if they'll buy all at once, will pump exactly like this candle. You can see. Dumped, they got some FOMO and they pushed it higher. They get FOMO also, people. Don't think they will not FOMO. Like here. Who managed to buy here? Well, look at it. So could happen the same? It's possible. I hope you get the idea. Okay? Back on daily. Megaphone. At the bottom of the megaphone. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches of the megaphone. I think it's enough. We have only 2 above. Imagine to see in 2 or 3 weeks or 1 month to see the Ethereum on the other side of the megaphone. Imagine. It's possible. You don't see it now, but it's possible. Okay. Let's take a look at total. Well, total market cap, you can see. It's fighting 3 trillion. It's a range here. We didn't accept below 3 trillion. We didn't close on daily, weekly chart below. And even if we'll do, will be just a Wyckoff check. Is this week enough? Possibly. I don't know. But we can go and stay here. If Bitcoin will drop a little bit more, we can stay at 2.7, test this area, make a double and push higher. I cannot be bearish seeing a chart like this. Similar here. Range. Wyckoff check, retest of that level. Never retested. Now it is. We'll need to go and stay a little bit more here. I don't know. Possibly, but I still think we are fighting 1 trillion. That's the overview, people. If you want to look at the altcoins we have on this list, you're more than welcome to do so. Yeah. You wanted, for example, let's see one of them. You wanted TIA at $3. You have TIA at $3. I told you from the top. Nobody wants to buy TIA here. I don't know. Could take some time. Maybe you can even dollar cost average here. Could stay 1 or 2 weeks or maybe more. But it's a good level to buy. Let's see the ones that they are pumping already. Let's see. Pumping. Zen. Well, remember when I do the drawings here? In the same fucking live stream I did it. We didn't manage to get the last one, but we are on that trajectory. Good area to buy. Similar here. Similar here. People are panicking. And I don't have enough money to buy. You get the idea. Now, I think I told you about the calendar and non-fame payrolls. Pretty important day. Traditional market people are definitely waiting for that report. Crypto should do also, because now crypto is damn correlated, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, correlated to traditional market. So pay attention and stay out. Okay, let's see what we have next week. Core inflation Wednesday. So yeah, again, Wednesday we'll have some volatility next Wednesday. Powell will speak again, same day. Friday. Yeah. And 1 week after that we have FOMC, and pretty okay-ish after the non-fame payrolls. Okay, let's go on lower time frame. 1 hour, 4 hour chart. What do we have here? We are still in the 50% area. We are still below, above long reload zone. I still think we can get a scenario like this on 1 hour chart. In the event, after the event, doesn't matter. Okay? If we'll bounce from here, well, I'll have to use Holy Grail to even think about longing. I had a setup here, and you can see I was forced by my plan to exit. I had a hard stop loss, took my stop loss, is still there in the just quick bounce. Sorry, it is what it is. I got my stop loss hit. Next boss. I'm not longing again until I'll see a proper setup. 40, 45, 50% of my trades will hit the stop loss. That's why I need risk management. Ethereum, it's stronger than the rest, you can see. I'm still expecting pump chaser zone. Hopefully we'll get pump chaser zone W, breakout and retest. The key in this environment, people, is W, breakout and retest. On higher time frame, maybe will not happen. On lower time frame, like in 1 hour, will probably happen. So pay attention on this pattern. W, breakout and retest. W, breakout and retest. I'll zoom in so you'll see the pattern. Market is dumping, bouncing, retesting, making the W, confirming the neckline, closing above, and other retest is the best opportunity to enter. Because you can put the entry here and your stop loss all the way down here below the last week low. That's how you correctly frame a position, a trade. Stop loss not here like beginners, noobs. Stop loss below the week low. So you have 1, 2 stop losses to protect your trade. Sometimes even 3 if you get the opportunity. But you get the idea. Solana, ETF and things like that. You know the drawings from yesterday. Waiting for a W here. Let's see what we'll get. Last night we had some good news about Solana. They are getting, I don't know, a fucking ETF or something like that. Buy the rumor, sell the news? I don't know. It's going sideways, like everything else. But on the long run, it's not something bad for Solana. I should invest now, buy Solana here as an investor? No. Looking at the higher time frame. But if I have Solana, I'm in a good position. I'll hunt long ideas here. Yep. Why not? TIA, you can see. We are still possible to make AB equals CD, but from now on, if you look at what we have here, I think we can think about a classic long reload zone. Let's see. Now, so we can think this is the AB equals CD, and we can draw it, and we can, if you want to take the W here, it will happen. Up to you. But I think we can wait in the long reload zone for a W. Look left. Why I'm saying long reload zone. Or W the other side of the trend line. Almost everything looks the same, people. Learn about Jupiter. If you remember Jupiter on higher time frame, we had the Cut Istanbul, or how the fuck it was called. They announced really bullish things about Jupiter, and still the market was topping in that event. When you have events like that, market will top. Smart money will benefit from that event that they could sell with volume there. That's the idea. Why do you think they are making events like that? To make you happy? To make you feel better about yourself? Or to trick you to buy and buy that top, local top. I don't think this is the top, but it's the local top for sure. They need millions or as much as possible. Small traders that buy that level, they got some hype. So the Jupiter guys, they'll sell it to you, and then they'll dump the price because nobody is left to buy, and they still have some to sell, and the price will go down. We'll reset and we'll start over again. I could see Jupiter on higher time frame. I could see it at $2, $3, $5 maybe even 10. Kind of hard to do that. But for the moment, it's below $1 again. Trading, well, long reload zone already here. If you take the last bounce, classic, you can see we are in the long reload zone. You have the LJ here. Give me a W the other side of the trend line and I'm more than happy to frame a trade. So that's one of the ideas. You can see bullish divergence on RSI, bullish divergence on MACD. Even OBV is trying to make some W's here. Actually on OBV you can draw a trend line like this and you can use it something like this. Huh? Give me a W the other side of this trend line on OBV and then that's a confluence. That's another argument to hunt a long idea. So if it's something you want to hunt here because it's almost ready for a setup. Pengu, disappointing. I was wanting a W here, never happened. Now I'm watching for a W here or lower. I'll just drag this one and I'll wait for a proper W. And then I'll frame a trade. The other side of the trend line. But I'm not touching this one without a proper W. Breakout and retest. ES is pushing the highs. Hype. If you remember in a live stream yesterday or 2 days ago, Stefan, do you remember when Crypto God John said only hype, let's buy some hype? And no, actually here I think it was. And we laughed, all of us, we laughed to say, well, this is the fucking top. Let's short it. Well, look now. I'm not shorting any altcoins, people. I'm not shorting, but you can see he posted and yeah, it's one of the strongest one. Let's call it that way. It's behaving really nicely for the moment. Look at it. It's going sideways. Everything is dumping, panicking. This one is strong. I'm not saying it's not. I was just talking about that local top. And now let's look at Bera. I think we need 1 hour chart. Well, Bera pumped and dumped. And nothing happened. I didn't got an airdrop. This is futurist market. You want to see what I did last night? Well, I'll show you, why not. Look what I did. I was fucking around in 1 minute chart because I'm a scalper by nature. I love to trade. I love the risk. I love to play. So, me and Bocian, we attempted to play this bottom. I posted this level here. Bocian wasn't here. I took this trade and I'll trail it to the stop loss here. And then I took the next one here. After all, when I got to sleep, because I need to sleep a couple of hours at least, I moved my stop loss here and I got stop loss at scratch on the last one in 1-to-1 profit with the first trade. And you can see nothing for the moment. Price is still consolidating. If today or tomorrow or in the weekend I'll see another uptrend, I'll play it. Or I don't suggest anyone to stay on 1 minute like me. You can stay on 5, and you can see on 5 minute chart you have an entry even now. Up to you. Maybe wait for a W here and then to enter, but you get the idea. Well, that being said, people, let's take some requests. I have 40 minutes already blabbing away, but let's take some requests. Let's see what we have. Well, don't make me look at the entire chart, people, please. Okay, let's see. Say, okay. You are new here, Shrey, because you don't know how we proceed. You tell me the ticker and you tell me the fucking time frame. You want a scalp or you want as an investment level? If you don't tell me, I'll assume automatically that's an investment and I'll start with weekly. Weekly level, look at it. Look at it. It's something I should tell you here, or you understand just looking at the chart. Why do you think I have this blue level? Is for selling here or is for buying? Yeah. Good location to start accumulating if you don't have a bag. If you have a bag, I don't know what to tell you. What I'll do, if I'll have a bag at these levels, I'll just hold. I'll just forget about it, just leave it there. It's simple. It's investable. You can see this is a support and resistance. Let's see if we'll accept or was just a sweep of this low, and we'll close the weekly chart in the blue area or above. But it's in a buying area, that's for sure. Yeah, I could see the next one here. I could see the price 50% lower in this support. Okay, look at the POC. So if you want to, you don't have a bag and you want to buy it, where you should hide your order? Well, here at the POC. Or here at the candle body highs. I don't know, 15 cents, kind of. Still a bit lower. Daily, we had a dump, we had a recovering. I don't see a W for a trade here. Good location for a setup. No W. So, wait for a W. Yeah, Sebastian. TIA, it's if you look at daily chart and maybe higher time frame than that, it's a buy. Will not happen next hour. If you buy TIA now, next hour will not be at $20 again. But on the medium long run, I think it's a good idea to invest. Just my 2 cents. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Everything is tweak. Everything is looking good. Now, all the altcoins are looking good. 99.9%. Let's not take it. Well, 95. How you select them? Well, that's up to you. Look at it. It's looking good. It's close to the POC, people. People are panicking and the coins are not even at the fucking POC. Look at it. The POC on here it's at $2 and you are at 3.2. Of course it's a good level to start investing, but I'm not saying sell your house and buy near. I don't know. You have to go do the fundamentals. See the community, see the tokenomics, see the utility, see the everything on. I'm telling you from a technical standpoint. Technically, you are in the long reload zone, the POC is below, so you are in a buying area here. Instead of panicking, you should get greedier. The lower it goes, the greedier you should get. The best way to get greedier and greedier is dollar cost average on a specific period with the same amount of money, not the coins. So you don't buy the same amount of coins, you buy the same amount of money. And if the market is going down, for example, like we had here, let's say you start buying $100 worth of near here, then another $100 worth of near here. At the bottom here, you bought a lot more coins with the same money. That makes you greedier as the market is going down and a better average price. That's the way you should dollar cost average when you are buying. Okay? So that's the idea on here. Alpha? Okay, let's take a look at alpha. If someone still wants to join us, I think it's a fucking good moment. But if someone still wants to join us in the Capo 1 program, we still have 2 places, people. It's not a joke. It's not a program you get from influencers. I don't know, a PDF document and a short video and that's it and you pay the money. No. We are not fucking around here. Okay? We are not fucking around. Look at this program. 4 months program. Yeah? The first part where I could show you how you should how you should behave in the market. Technical. Yeah? 8 lessons of technical. 8 weeks actually. Yeah? And the practical part. 1 month of trading, framing the trades, and I'll check every fucking trade you do. Huh? The price is the best you'll ever get. We have 18 people. We accept 2 more until we'll have 20 in the late registration phase, because Friday, actually today, we'll have the first live stream. So it's still open. If you prefer to spend 10, 20, 50K to learn by yourself and then come to me, it's your business. Or maybe you'll never come to me. I don't have a problem. We are in the program and we have 2 more places. Actually, we have 3 places because one guy put the exam and it's in Capua 2. So he changed from Capua 1 to Capua 2, doing the exam and paying the difference. What's the price tweak? Well, don't be lazy. Yeah, don't be lazy. Go there on that link and you'll find out. Yeah, join the Discord and you'll find out. Okay, let's go back on the alpha chart. Big consolidation usually gets a big pump. For the moment, it's consolidating. It's getting in the presents or gift area for me. Look at it. This is the area where I want to buy. This looks a bit similar with what I showed you about Cardano from 2020. Looks similar here. I think it should. We'll be lucky and we'll get a W and bigger consolidation. I don't know. Maybe we'll bounce and we'll push higher. And yeah, we'll still consolidate, but above this level. I don't know. If you like the project, if you are, I don't know, a believer in the project, if you like the fundamentals, it's a damn good price to start dollar cost average. I'm saying dollar cost average. Why? Because everyone knows about dollar cost average. If I will say little old lady, people will say, well, explain me what the little old lady is. And then I have to tell you, well, that and that. But dollar cost average, it's the best way known to get the bottom, people. Remember that. Even if it's the simplest way, it's hard, it's boring, and it's the best way to get the bottom. So yeah, I could see power of 3 here on daily and power of 3. If we reclaim this area, this was a deviation, and then pump and retest of that deviation level, and you can go. Something like this. So accepting above 5 cents, pushing higher, and then retesting 5 cents could make it a power of 3 play. Something like this. Something. But it's a good level to buy it. This one I think is at the POC. I think it's at the POC. Let's see. Or below the POC. Well, yeah. You can see the volume is here. We are below the POC. What a good level to buy alpha. Okay? The POC is at 10 cents and you are at, I don't know, 5 cents. Okay. Let's see. We have anything else? Yeah, that could be a narrative, Shrey. That could be a narrative. Make a plan. Make a plan. Make a fighting plan and go and buy it if you think. Why not? Well, that the POC means that the most business was done. The big quantities of coins, the biggest quantity was bought here. Yeah? The lower it gets, the better it is. Yeah? The POC is like the value of a coin. I consider it a value because you cannot value in another way. On stock, you have other ways to value the stock. Yeah? But on a crypto or an altcoin, shit, you don't have anything. So how you can value it? Well, you can value it like smart money do. So the POC is the value. Below POC, it's getting greedier. Above POC, you are buying premium. Simple as that, Jade. Yeah? So above, we are buying premium. And we can go shit all the way up. Below POC, you are buying value and discount. That's the simple explanation I could give you about the POC. We are talking volume, yeah? It's a volume indicator. So the biggest volume was here, overall. At, what is the level? 8 cents. Well, people, that being said, prepare yourself for even lower prices. It's possible. But don't fucking panic. Why you are here? Why you joined only for up only? Well, sorry to tell you, the bull market is not easy. We are in a bull market. We are in a bull market, but it's not easy. I showed you the example. Go and study 2020, people. Go and study 2020. Go and study 2017 if you want. Beginning of 2017. And you'll see the same swings. Yeah, people made tons of money with Ripple in 2018. The only people, the people who made money had to support the swings on Ripple. I don't know if I could find a Ripple chart before 2018. But should be out there somewhere. High conviction? I'm not playing high conviction, man. I'm playing setups and technical analysis. I don't have 2 plays or 5 plays. I have tons of altcoins that I bought. From millions of coins that we have now, I have, I don't know, more than 100. High conviction should be the depending on everyone. Yeah. If I have $1,000, I'll have a different approach than the guy who has 500,000. Why? The guy with $1,000 needs 100x to make it or more, yeah, to feel the difference in his pocket. And the guy with $500,000, well, he just needs 2x, 4x, and he's done. So a difference from the age, from the value of your portfolio, a lot of things you have to consider. You want to learn all these things? Well, I showed you where you want to be. The price is damn cheap. For 4 months of my work, come on. Okay, this is the new and shiny thing. You can see what is happening with new and shiny things. Yeah? They are pumping and they are dumping and they are consolidating. I think too much hype was about Bera. And I'm still holding $7. I know before the launch was trading OTC at $4. So seeing it staying for the moment at $7 makes me think that it's still too high. But I bought, with all my profit yesterday, I bought Bera. So at least wasn't a waste day. I don't know. Bera could go to $1 from here. So be it. I assumed the risk when I did the trade. Okay. People, I have 15 minutes of blabbing away. I hope you get the message. The message is clear. Buy when it's blood on the streets, even if it's your own. Rockefeller is not a good guy. Wasn't a good guy, in my opinion. But he definitely knew how to behave with money. So you can take an advice from him. If he said it or who the fuck said it. Anyway, you get the idea. Yeah? Keep calm and buy when it's blood on the streets. You want to make 100x, you have to stay here and slowly accumulate the bottom. Or you want to be a moon boy. Well, go ahead. Go exit the Crypto Traders Arena, unsubscribe to this channel, and go and follow the moon boys. They'll tell you what to do. You'll not be happy at the end, but that's a different story. Okay, let's close it here. I'll go on VIP and hopefully I'll make some scalps with Stefan and VIP people. By the way, VIP is closed. Don't DM Stefan or me anymore. We are not accepting more people until next month. Yeah, and we'll open only if someone from the VIP will say, well, fuck it, is not for me. I'm not able to follow you guys. It's too fast. It's not for me. Because we don't accept more than 50 people. We already have 50 people. So if someone will say, no, thank you, I'm not participating anymore, then that place will go for the public. Okay. See you people next time. Bye-bye.